Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create object blend effect in Adobe Illustrator. Draw hexagon using Polygon tool and use stroke weight equals 10 points. A hexagon is a flat, two-dimensional geometric shape that has 6 straight sides, 6 corners, vertices, and 6 internal angles. Draw inner hexagon, smaller in size, as shown and align with the outer hexagon left justified. Select both and go to Object, Blend, Make. Select both and go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Use specified steps to 20, as shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.